The Shopping Cart module provides all the tools you need to manage and structure the checkout process for your online store. In this how-to, I'll walk you through the Shopping Cart module setup process and show you how to enable Add to Cart options in your product catalog or image gallery. Before we get started, you need to complete the following tasks. Install and activate the Shopping Cart and any payment gateway modules. The gateway modules are only necessary if you plan to offer credit card as a payment option. This step must be carried out by a Contegro product specialist, reseller or partner. Number 2. Check whether you have permission to manage the shopping cart. If not, you'll need to ask someone with higher admin permissions than you to enable this option for your admin group. Make sure to refresh your browser or start a new admin session if the shopping cart is not visible in the Contegro Start menu. Before you add the checkout pages to your site, we recommend that you check and update the global settings for each of the shopping cart modules shown here. This will save you time and help prevent errors from occurring on the live pages when first added. We'll take a look at some of the key settings in this tutorial that need to be addressed as part of first-time setup. More detailed information can also be found in the Contegro User Guide. The shopping bag module can be placed on any page in the site. It's designed to display a summary of the current order and a link through to the checkout. The highlighted fields can be used to manage default settings that are applied to all new instances of the shopping bag either added in the editor or the template manager. Update the global defaults as required and click OK to save. The shopping cart global settings are just that, global. These settings are applied throughout the checkout. Firstly, set the order process type that best suits your customers and your business. Member sign-up ordering is ideal for client-based ordering. The billing details are used to create member accounts for first-time users and streamline orders. One-off ordering does not require a login and no member account is created. Use the tax settings to ensure that tax is correctly calculated and applied to orders delivered within the set tax country. If you are using the member sign-up order process type on your site, use the billing details global settings to automate or disable the registration email that is sent to members when their account is successfully created. The checkout process module shows customers where they are in the checkout, and the links let them jump between different checkout pages. We'll return to this setting after the checkout page setup is finalized in the editor. By default, we've made sure that all of the important fields are added to the delivery details form. However, we understand that each business is different and may require additional information. You can use the Form Manager to add and manage form fields so you can make sure that essential delivery details are captured at the time the order is placed. Lastly, if you offer freight options as part of the online checkout process, remember to set the default shipping method type and countries that you ship to before you add shipping costs. You can see more on this in the Managed Shipping tutorial. Now let's take a look at the page setup in the editor. In this example, I'll demonstrate the setup of a 5-page checkout which includes a payment gateway for online payments. Remember, this is an example only. If your checkout requires a different layout, use this as a guide and structure each page to suit your needs. As you can see, I've already created all the pages I need for the checkout process. Now I'll show you which modules we recommend you add to each page. The main checkout page contains the checkout process, cart, promotion and wizard modules. These modules allow customers to go back and forth throughout the checkout. The promotion module can be added to any checkout or special offer landing page on your site. In step 2 of the checkout process, we have the customer details page, where we use a shopping bag to show an order summary, a login form if you are using member sign-up, billing and delivery modules to capture customer details. Next, shipping, gift and payment options. These modules can be separated into different steps in your checkout, if you prefer, but for this example we've added them as one step in the checkout process. Use the Shopping Cart Manager to add, edit or delete the options displayed on the live site. If you are offering credit card payments to customers, remember to create a payment page and add your Gateway module. Make sure to set the confirmation page in the settings and keep the next target page field blank in the Wizard module, as setting a target will allow customers to go to the next step without making payment. Lastly, add a shopping cart confirmation module to the last page in the checkout process. This module displays an online order receipt and provides the customer with the option of printing out the order details. After the checkout pages have been set up, head back to the global settings and set the checkout process target pages. Finally, add the shopping bag to any product catalogue or image gallery pages on your site so customers can see a summary of their current order. And make sure to enable the Add to Cart options in the Product Details module, Product List, or Image Gallery thumbnails. Make sure to contact your Contegro partner or reseller to talk through this further if you need.